Hello children, I am your English teacher Mona and today we are going to learn about the topic pronouns. So, pronouns are the words that we use in place of nouns. That means these are the words which we can use instead of a noun. And these words are I, you, he, she, it, we and they. So all these words are called pronouns. Now let us see how we can use them instead of noun. So here are few examples. First is my mother made a chocolate cake for my birthday. So here mother is female. So for female here we have used she. So she made a chocolate cake for my birthday. Now next sentence is Sia and I went to the market. Now Sia and I, that means here are more than one person in a sentence. So here I, that means myself, and Sia, that means the another person along with me. So along with the person's name and it is given I. So here we will use the pronoun we. We went to the market. Now next sentence is Amar and Rohan are siblings. So here children, the two persons name given and Amar and Rohan, these are the both different person and more than one person. So that's why we have used here they. So they are siblings. So here in these examples she, we and they are the pronouns. Now let's talk about that when we can use singular pronouns and when we can use plural pronouns. Now I, he, she and it are the singular pronouns and we and they are plural. So he is used for male and she is used for female, and here it is used for any singular noun that can be animal's name or any object. And we and they are used when there are more than one person or object. Now, a pronoun you is used for both singular and plural. So here you is the pronoun which we can use for both, that is for singular also and for plural. Now move ahead. Here are few examples which shows us the pronouns used in a sentence. First sentence is Jack and David are friends. They play basketball together. So in first sentence there are more than one person. So Jack and David, they are two persons. So here in second sentence they describes Jack and David. So here the pronoun used is they. They play basketball together. Now in second sentence, we will be late if you don't hurry up. Now here we and you also is a pronoun. Now in third sentence, I like to watch TV. I is pronoun. Now in fourth sentence, he studies hard to pass the exam. And in fifth sentence is she does not like to eat junk food. Now here in fourth standard he is used for male. That means a boy or a man. And in fifth sentence she is used for women or a girl. Now move ahead. Here there are many types of pronouns, but here we are going to learn about only two types of pronouns. So they are possessive pronoun and the reflexive pronouns. First is possessive pronoun. Now what are the possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns are those pronouns which tell us about possession or ownership. That means they tell us about the belongings of any particular person. They tell us that particular thing belongs to whom. So here the possessive pronouns are mine, his, hers, ours, yours, and theirs. So these words are the possessive pronoun. Now here examples are given. First sentence is these clothes are mine. Mine shows the belongings of myself. That means these clothes are belongs to me. Second is, do you see that woman over there? Her dog is very friendly. So here her is used for that woman. So here her is used for woman because here her describes the woman, that is female. Now third sentence is, are these books yours? So here yours shows the books that belongs to you. Now next sentence is, the house is theirs. Fifth sentence is, the blue hat is mine, yours is on the upper shelf. So here in first sentence, mine shows that the blue hat is mine, that means blue hat belongs to me, and yours is on the upper shelf, that means your belong to you, that your hat is on the upper shelf. So here in these examples, mine, her, yours, theirs, mine, and yours, these are the examples of possessive pronoun. Now let's see that mine, his, hers, its. These are the possessive pronouns which are used in singular noun, and ours and theirs are the plural possessive pronoun which we can use in plural nouns. Now here also yours is a pronoun that we can use with both singular and plural. Now here children, you have to keep in mind that possessive pronouns like hers, theirs, ours, etc. we written without apostrophe before or after s. That means whenever we are writing hers, theirs, ours, yours, its, so when the last letter is s, so we are not writing before or after s apostrophes sign. And here few things are that you have to remember, that mine is used for I, yours used for you, his used for he, hers for she, its used for it, ours used for we, and theirs used for they. Now let's move ahead. Now second type is reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject and object of a sentence refers to the same person or thing. That means reflexive pronoun is used when subject and object are referred for the same person or same thing. For example, the boy hurt himself. Here the subject is boy and object is himself. So himself is related to the boy, that means it is used for boy, that the boy hurt himself. Here few reflexive pronouns are given. They are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. So these are the reflexive pronouns. Here the examples we will see. First is, I was in a hurry, so I washed my car myself. So myself is used for me. That means I was in a so much hurry that I washed my car by myself. Now second sentence is, he wanted to impress her, so he baked a cake himself. So himself is used for he. In next sentence, you are too young to go out by yourself. So here yourself is used for you. Next sentence is, we have enjoyed ourselves. So here in this sentence, ourselves is used for we. Now next sentence is, they are doing it themselves. So themselves is used for they. Now here in these examples, myself, himself, yourself, ourselves and themselves are the reflexive pronouns. Now, here in singular, the reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself and itself. So if you have noticed that in singular there is all the reflexive pronouns are end with self, self, and in plural they are ourselves, yourselves, themselves. So these plural reflexive pronouns end with ves. Here children, for you there are two example exercise for home assignment. First question is underline the pronoun. So you have to underline the pronoun in the following sentences, and question 2 is fill in the blanks from the brackets. That means brackets are given here and you have to complete the blank by following the brackets.